How to download Amanda the Adventurer on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Amanda the Adventurer on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Steam. So make sure that you're logged in into your Steam account. Let me open it up first. So there we go. So right here, you'll need to head over to the search bar and search for Amanda the Adventurer. You can hit enter and there you'll find the game. So all you now need to do is open it up. So let's view this page and there we go. Now all you need to do is add this to the cart. And after you add this to your cart, you can view your cart. And after you view the cart, you can just continue the payment and get the game. And it's that simple. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.